Legal eye drafting tools versus junior associates. Which one is better for high-volume document drafting? Most people assume that drafting large volumes of legal documents always requires a team of junior associates. The surprising truth is that eye-driven drafting tools can dramatically reduce time and costs while maintaining accuracy. Legal eye tools use machine learning and natural language processing to generate contracts, memos, and other legal documents based on templates and previous data. They can quickly create first drafts, highlight inconsistencies, and even suggest language improvements. For instance, a corporate law firm handling hundreds of NDAs for multiple clients can automate the initial draft, leaving associates to focus on review and customization. Junior associates, by contrast, bring human judgment, context, and a nuanced understanding of client priorities. They are critical for complex documents, bespoke agreements, or situations requiring careful interpretation. However, for high-volume, routine drafting relying solely on junior associates can slow workflows and increase labor costs. So which is better for high-volume document drafting? The answer lies in integration. iTools excel at speed and consistency, reducing repetitive work and human error, while junior associates add oversight, legal reasoning, and strategic input where it matters most. Many forward-thinking firms combine both. I handles the bulk drafting and associates refine, tailor, and finalize the documents. The key takeaway is that I isn't replacing lawyers, it's amplifying their efficiency. The surprising truth is that blending technology with human expertise allows legal teams to scale operations, cut costs, and maintain quality. High-volume drafting no longer has to be a bottleneck. With I and junior associates working together, law firms and in-house teams can focus on what truly adds value.